Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your headphones with a phone. Firstly, I recommended to restart your audio player. So let's say you listen to music with Apple Music or Spotify or your browser. Just remove this application from the cache and open it again. Now check, maybe it fixed your problem. Also, I recommended to check is your application have the last version. So go to the App Store or Google Play and check it and update if you haven't. Next one, if it didn't help you, I recommended to restart your phone, or if you use these headphones with your tablet, restart your tablet or your PC. I hope you understand me. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly we need to turn off these headphones. So at the bottom of the right ear cup, we have a power button. You need to press and hold this power button, and we just turn off it. Now, you need to press and hold this power button again, because we need to enter prank mode, and you just hold it. Firstly it blinked white, it just turned on, we keep holding it, and you need to wait until this LED light blink blue. After that you need to press and hold at the same time volume up button would have a plus icon and volume down button would have a minus icon until you can see the white LED light. So let me press and hold, and here we go, it was a white one. So you need to wait something like 5 seconds. And then we need to remove and add these headphones. So go to the settings, Bluetooth, and right here click the information icon near to your headphones. Then forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device. And after a factory reset, we enter this headphones enter to prank mode automatically. So we don't need to enter prank mode manually, we just tap at your headphones at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.